Checking your account balance at TD Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the TD Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official TD Bank website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields to log into your online banking account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Step 3. Navigate your account summary. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to a detailed view of the account. Step 5. View your balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. You can also find additional information such as recent transactions and available funds. Now you can easily check your account balance at TD Bank whenever you need to.